Welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. My name is Scott. I've harvested some chard from my garden today. Let's go cook it up. Alright, so what we do is just come and cut away the outer leaves. You can pick them. I like to cut them. There we go. That's some nice looking spinach, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Look at that.
Spinach.
Yep, look at those big old leaves. That's some good looking stuff right there. Train?
Yep.
Train keeps it rolling.
Phoebe.
I'm going to take some chard while I'm here. Yeah. Some rainbow chard. I've got the yellow, the white, and there's some red in here, but I don't think any of it's really ready to harvest yet. Maybe that one. Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's a good one.
There we go.
Check that out.
So this is what I've harvested, just enough for one meal. That's about a bunch of spinach right there. That's about half of what you might get in a store if you bought a bundled bunch. And I'm just going to use that today. What we have here is my chard and perpetual spinach. It's not quite mature enough to where I'm going to devein it. I'm just going to cook it like that. I have a little bit of parsley, I have an onion, I have some garlic, I have some hard-boiled eggs, and I have some ground red pepper. I'm going to get some bacon grease, and we're going to go to town with this recipe. There we go. There's the end result. That is mostly perpetual spinach and a little bit of Swiss chard with some soft boiled eggs, some onions and garlic, some red wine vinegar, and some red pepper. And that is a nice savory dish. It's just enough for one meal. Man, I can be thankful for that. Well, there you go. A good recipe, a hearty meal made from Swiss chard and perpetual spinach. A little bit of bacon grease, some onions, a little bit of garlic, some red pepper, some red wine vinegar, and we're on our way to a good meal. Thanks for joining me. Hope you'll subscribe to our channel and like our videos. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.